So why people are eating 饺子 on Lunar New Year? Okay, look at the picture on the left. What do you think this is? Yes, Alexa?
Some sort of holder or cup.
Look like a cup? Okay. What kind of materials is made of this thing?
Silver. Metal.
Silver?
Some sort of metal.
Yeah, silver. Silver it is. So actually this is called silver ingots, which people use in Asian China as money. So in Asian China, people might use this kind of shape of money to trade on the market. Only the rich people maybe have the whole piece. And then the poor people might only have the smaller piece of it. So this is like Asian money in Chinese culture. That is also why when we eat 饺子 dumplings on Lunar New Year's Eve, it actually has some meaning on it. When we eat 饺子, that's because 饺子, the shape of 饺子, looking like the Chinese silver ingots. So when people eat the 饺子, the dumplings, that means they want to have more money. So the more dumplings that you eat, the more money you're gonna have the next year. So that is why people are making 饺子 in that shape to celebrate Lunar New Year. So there's a saying in Chinese, especially during Lunar New Year, people would say 招财进宝. People would write it on the Chinese, like the red couplets, and then post it on their doors to write 招财进宝, because they want to bring more wealth and a treasure to the house or to their business. And also you might know that on Lunar New Year, there are a lot of things people eat to make like a very, very big dinner to celebrate Lunar New Year, right? Okay, so now hold your skin on your hands, on your fingers. So put your skin on four of your fingers, leave your thumb available like this. How, Alexa? Okay, great. And then we're gonna put some of the stuffing on your dumpling or the skin. Please put some of the stuffing on the skin. Not to put too much yet because this is your first dumpling. And you can press it a little bit so that they can stick together a little bit better. Now, do we all have this? Alexa, do you have it? There we go. Okay, now, first step, you're gonna take one side of the skin, go to the other side of the skin, make them together, squeeze them together, and then you squeeze all of the sides together. Squeeze the side together. Only the very corner of the part. Squeeze them together.
Oh my gosh, mine looks terrible.
Okay, if you want to make it better, if you want to make it look better, there's another one, a fancy one, a little bit fancy one. So you're gonna hold your skin like this, right? So you're gonna put it on your pointing finger and your thumb around it and make it look like this. This is where you put your dumpling, right? And then you're gonna
put too much sauce in it.
Put your thumb over here and squeeze it. After you squeeze it, you get the dumpling look like this. Let's see yours.
Here's my ugly dumplings.
Oh, they're not bad. Your first time. Pretty nice.